Our mission for Investing Accelerator is to help people retire faster. Investing Accelerator, 5minuteinvesting.com, is a startup I've been working on in the last couple of years. We mainly focus on helping full-time professionals without a financial background to master investing. This is the second monthly update for the startup. We'll go through a series of things we're working on, but basically it boils down to this simple strategy. We scale our existing business that is already cash flow positive, the Investing Accelerator education program. We use the AI-powered investing strategy to provide portfolio management services, and we'll start a hedge fund in 2 years. Okay, let's get started. First, I want to announce the second dividend for Investing Accelerator shareholders, and it's 1% this month. We're on track to offering 12% dividend per year. That is consistent with our vision of offering a monthly dividend. In terms of business updates, Investing Accelerator's revenue growth for this month is 60% compared to the previous month. We're growing very nicely, and with the angel funding of $350,000, we have used a part of that to scale ads. In August, our revenue was $18,000, then September was $42,000, and now is $68,000 as we're coming to the end of October. So that is a 60% increase. Going forward, with the amount of capital we have, we should stabilize at around $70,000 per month USD in terms of tuition revenue, sign on, and then we'll raise the next round of capital, we'll allocate more into the business and grow it. In 2025, our projected revenue should exceed $1 million per year. One improvement point I would give myself is to improve the cash flow of the business, because a lot of the students choose a payment plan over time. It's not good for the company from a cash flow point of view, but I'm testing out different offers to improve the cash flow. Now, in terms of the new service, portfolio management, I'm already onboarding clients, and so far we have onboarded around 500K asset under management in the first month. So we're still in the soft launch stage where I'm onboarding some of my close network and start using the AI-powered investing strategy to manage their retirement accounts. This is mainly for Canadians with registered retirement accounts or tax-free savings accounts, similar to the 401k and Roth in USA. I have people coming up to me wanting me to manage their $1 million retirement accounts, but they are still on the wait list. It's just a matter of streamlining the service, getting familiar with the onboarding process and all the paperwork. Afterwards, I can onboard more clients in the coming months. Now, the next item is to accelerate raising capital for the hedge fund business. The existing Investing Accelerator business has been profitable for 5 years. We went from 18K a month in revenue to 70K a month in revenue. For this round of capital we're raising, it's really for the future hedge fund. So this is the one step before launching the hedge fund. I'm working with an investment bank to raise $50 million from investors globally for the business of Investing Accelerator, plus the portfolio management service, plus the hedge fund. That means if you become an early investor to this business, you get all three revenue streams, which is fantastic. And the dividend is 12% to 24% per year. If you are interested in a free demo, then you can go to 5minuteinvesting.com/free demo for investors. So the investment banker promised they can raise $50 million in 90 days, which I think is a very aggressive target. Personally, my goal is to raise $50 million in 2025. I'll start reaching out to larger investor, family offices, high net worth individuals in January to accelerate this effort. But first, we'll work with this investment bank, which has raised over $500 million in the past. I think they should be able to raise a good chunk of capital for Investing Accelerator. In terms of my own fundraising efforts, there's currently 500K of capital raised in the pipeline. This is coming from my network, and they're waiting to sign the document and do the wire transfer. This will be a significant boost to Investing Accelerator in terms of revenue, where I'll allocate part of that capital to the AI hedge fund strategy. This allows us to build the track record needed to approach larger investors 2 years down the line. In terms of my own investment, I'm planning to transfer $500,000 from one of my portfolios into the company by the end of the year. If that target is reached, then I'm going to transfer that entire portfolio into Investing Accelerator, this can be used to expand the coaching business and for the AI investing strategy. Combined with the existing pipeline and my own personal contribution for the 500K, this together will be 1 million capital raise. This will represent a significant milestone for the company and unlock the next stage of growth in capital raising and strategy using the AI hedge fund to propel further growth in the next couple of years. Now, a quick update on the AI-powered investing strategy. I've been using it in the business account for 2 months now, and so far, the return is 34%. On average, the target is 30% a year, and we achieved that in 2 months. We were able to catch one of the bottoms in early September and continue to ride until the end of October. I expect November to be a good month as well, up until December. So I'll give you another update next month for the AI investing strategy. If you know anyone who's interested in becoming an early investor, accredited investors only, then they can sign up and watch the free demo for investors. And if you're interested in being one of the early investors, you can also watch the free demo in the link below. Afterwards, if you want to be in this round, you can schedule a call with me and we'll have a chat. So the current price for this round is $20 a share, and I'm looking to raise 50 million. This will serve as the foundation for the hedge fund, meaning even if I don't raise any additional capital, I can create the hedge fund within the company already, because that is the capital needed to start a baby hedge fund. 50 million might seem like a lot of money for a startup, but in the hedge fund world, 50 million is like starting a baby hedge fund and barely keeping the lights on. That gives you a feeling of what the scale is like. The next round's target is going to be $150 per share. There is a significant benefit to getting in early for the preparation of this baby hedge fund. Once we have that, we'll have a strong foundation for the next phase, which means the share price will be a lot higher. There is a discount to today's share price. So that's it for this month's investors update, and I'll see you in the next one.